Leaving Rivoli Bay, we followed the Epi coastline a short distance to a very small village at Yemiu Bay.
Hello! Are you going fishing?
No.
No fish. We didn't catch any fish either.
Tried to catch a fish, nothing.
No fish.
Couldn't bring a fish in.
Yeah. This boat's full.
Just give it a pull for a second. Just try and reverse it in first. What's the other one there?
Hello! You don't look happy.
Hello.
Hello. That's a sad face. Look, it's not much.
There you go. All good?
Do you want to come? You come up.
You come.
He's very cute. Does he tie good knots?
Yeah, sort of.
Good knot?
This one's a bit short.
Oh, is it? We'll find another one.
Tie it onto this rope.
Yeah. I want to see them. See them get in. Oh, he's bailing it out with a thong. Shoe flicking water out. He's got a. Oh, he's trying to get water out. Oh. They're filling up with water. I think there was too many.
New.
Oh, okay.
What do they say? We take 3 to 4. No, go slow feet.
Ready?
Ready?
Set. Go. Thank you. Yeah, hot. Yeah. It's black. It's hot. Yeah. A tribe following. Bye. Come on. Because the other children separated. They're heading a different way. Yeah. I didn't think we'd see a bridge.
It's a good sturdy one. It's awesome, isn't it?
I just love how the tree forms around it.
Yeah.
Is their primary school?
After being shown around the village, we unfortunately didn't find the chief or his wife to trade our goods.
I think that's come down through the cyclone.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this. type. Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers.
He's using a frog to scoop.
That afternoon, many children paddled out in their canoes to have a look around No Regrets and enjoy a few treats.
He nearly had it up his nose. Is that yummy?
Yeah, it's just getting a lick in the corner.
Oh, you're not even looking where you're licking. Good?
Yeah, ice cream's a winner.
Yeah, I know. Not from our boat. We don't have any.
That was close.
Oh, now he knows. Thank you. Oh, hang on. We have a problem. You won't get too far. Thank you. Thank you for coming out and seeing us. And thank you for the vegetables.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night. Good night.
You will be at school tomorrow? They will be? Oh.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
He's got it now.
And it's a smile too.
He's smiling. Oh, it's gone.
Bye guys. Bye kids.
Good night. Pretty cool when they come out like this.
It is so cute. They're so lovely. Oh no!
What happened?
The paddle broke.
We had a constant cycle of the friendliest and happiest kids excited to be on board.
They're coming.
Hang on, we'll turn the boat. When this one
No, they're excited. They're excited. They're too excited to get in.
Hang on. When this comes in here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's easy.
All right, just you watch the other rope.
I've got the rope.
The blue one. That one's in the water. Yep. Bye. Bye.
I'll pull that blue rope up.
Yeah, I will. Yep. So we had some visitors, and each little boat that came out with their little people brought fruit and vegetables out to us. And we've just got way too much fruit and vegetables. But we felt really rude saying no. And how beautiful is this? Just so much. And they were just happy to come out and explore the boat. It's just beautiful. Very, very lucky. And they were just lovely. They were just so excited.
How are you feeling?
Oh,
Do we have enough vegetables and fruit?
we definitely do not have enough cucumbers.
Oh
We
my!
only oh, hang on, that's more of them.
Oh no!
This is ridiculous. I feel terrible.
What the hell? That's it. No more.
Definitely do not need any more.
No, this is nuts.
We didn't even ask for any of these. I would have happy, and I didn't even know they came on with extra fruit.
No, they just kept piling it up.
Mad.
My lolly diet has to cut back, and my vegetable intake has to increase. I'm not real happy about this. This is crazy.
They got beans and carrots.
Oh no, they got gold.
Now that we've got all this beautiful fruit and veg, our biggest job now is soaking it in bleach. Diluted bleach, so that way there's any bugs, it eliminates them, and I do the cucumbers as well because it just cleans them up. Germs, and I give them a bit of a scrub, just to make sure there's no dirt on them. So yeah, with all this cucumber, still don't know what we're going to do with them, but yeah, I've just done the tomatoes. I'm just going to pin them down and let them soak for a period of time.
8 cucumbers. And they're massive cucumbers, they're not just little cucumbers.
Look at this one.
It's a club.
I don't even know how we could get through a small version, but anyway, we'll find some solutions.
And so here's my pureed sour sop. That's the weirdest name I've ever heard. So I'm whipping what was left of our melted ice cream
Yeah, it wasn't
with
too.
a new tub of cream, bit of sugar, and I'm going to put the sour sop, which tastes like a cross between a passion fruit and a pineapple. Probably closer to passion fruit.
Yeah.
So we're going to make some passion fruit ice cream.
And it's leftover coconut ice cream. So it's going to be a bit of an interesting.
Oh, it's coconut. It's not just vanilla.
Yeah, no, it's coconut. So
It's going to be interesting.
yeah, see
Coconut sour sop. You won't come out by that in the shop.